Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cooking with Cayce. So over these next 2 episodes, I'm actually really excited because I'm taking y'all's advice and we are going to go ahead and do a $3 meal and a $1 meal. And y'all, my allergies are killing me right now, but we're going to do a bunch of cutting and pasting videos so I can sneeze off camera. But we're going to do a $3 and $1 meal. The $3 is going to be more of a high-end steak type of meal because I saw a lot of steaks in the comments and the DMs that I got for these next 2 Cooking with Cayce's. And the $1 one is going to be really simple. It's going to be the bulk of it is going to be dehydrated in a jar, and then your meat is going to be packaged, vacuum sealed, and frozen. So let's go ahead and we're going to run into the store because what I'm going to do with this is, listen, the best would be to be able to raise your own meat and raise your own veggies and stuff. But I know for some people that's not possible or they're not doing that now. So we're going to do everything store-bought and we're just going to get it going. So let's go ahead and head in. And I'm not going to be that person that's going to talk on the camera in a grocery store, but I'm going to show you what we're getting and I may do a little voiceover. So let's go ahead and head in. Alrighty, this is the $15 cut of meat that I got. I went ahead and got a chuck roast. It was pretty cheap, and I thought, why not? So we're going to turn it into, bloop, 6 steaks, which is going to get it at $2.50 for your steak. And I thought, since we're going bougie, let's add some shrimp. The shrimp was $8.99, which with all of the shrimp that was in there is 40 cents for a set. And can you believe, guys, I got no footage of it actually done. Way to go, Cayce. But I will say the bulk of your meal is always going to be your protein. And the protein, the steak, with it being $15, and I got 6 steaks out of that, and that was a chuck roast. I got it for $2.50 for those steaks. Shrimp were about 40 cents for 3 shrimp per meal. So when I put those in a bag and I freeze them, I right there have a $2.90 meal. Now, when you add on your veggies, this is where raising your own veggies comes really into play for your cost. Because the baked potato is going to be another 29 cents, and there's going to be 14 cents for the asparagus. Now, that puts us over the $3, but not by much, y'all. So that is a way that you can go ahead and have a ta-ta kind of meal for relatively cheap, a little over $3. So y'all, let's head back to Hay Bale. I will see y'all on the next Cooking with Cayce.